Philippines. I'm John Michael Lastimoso, a master's student from the Marine Science Institute in the University of the Philippines in Quezon City. So, I will present our study proposing a new seaweed species found in the Philippines. So, filamentous seaweed species are understudied in the Philippines, and most of their identities are up to scrutiny, and some of their identities are also still unknown due to their low sampling effort. So we posit that maybe there could be more hidden species in the marine reefs of our country, and this was recently proven by Sasagawa and his colleagues by discovering a new record under the order of Asterocladales in central Philippines. So why is there a lack of studies on these seaweed groups in our country? Well, there are three reasons. First, there is a low sampling effort due to their minute size and appearance. There is a difficulty in their taxonomy due to the limited morpho characters that you can examine. And thirdly, the molecular techniques available to some are previously inaccessible to our country. And with all these problems in mind, our research aims to resolve these gaps by exploring the hidden biodiversity of small filamentous seaweeds in the Philippines using assisted taxonomic techniques. It is our hope that we could discover or uncover new species for our country. So, oops, sorry. Uh, so, how did we do it? So, as with other field biodiversity studies, we collected both abiotic and biotic components of the reef, and we allowed emergent seaweeds to grow in our laboratory, and then we isolated and established uni-algal cultures, and from which we started our morpho-anatomical examinations and molecular analysis. So in one of our samples, a filamentous seaweed, an epiphyte of Colpominia, was revealed to be a distinct taxa that is closely related to the one discovered by Sasagawa, Asterocladon ednei. So as you can see in our phylogenetic reconstruction on the rbcL gene and the psaA genes, we were able to recover a distinct lineage that is closely related to Asterocladon ednei. So in addition, in our concatenated tree, we were also able to recover the same distinct lineage of Asterocladon. So although you could say that Asterocladon ednei and our new putative new species are extremely closely related, however, we found several distinct differences between them, both in an ecological nature and in their morphology. So as our Asterocladon anakbanwae, or our new putative new species, is distinct on having a different basiphyte, which is a Colpominia. It has smaller cells. It has a different perlocular triangle shape and is geographically isolated from Asterocladon ednei. So with all those in mind, due to their differences in morphology, molecular relationships, and ecology, we hereby propose the possible distinct new species called Asterocladon anakbanwae, which is named after the Anakbanwa people, which is an indigenous group that founded the province of Pangasinan, which is its type locality. So in conclusion, this study adds a new taxa to the rich seaweed biodiversity of the Philippines, and it proves that there is much yet to be discovered in terms of seaweed biodiversity in our country. So I would like to thank our laboratory at the Marine Science Institute and the funding sources that can be found in my acknowledgement section. Thank you. And if there are questions, I would like to